Welcome to Virginia City, Nevada. I'm here for the opening weekend of Hot August Nights 2025. We've got an awesome venue here, great weather. I want to give you guys a sneak peek into all the cool cars that are here. Great atmosphere, beautiful scenery. Let's check it out. High in Nevada's Virginia Range, perched among winding mountain roads, lies a place frozen in time, Virginia City. In the mid-1800s, this was the beating heart of the Comstock Lode, one of the richest silver strikes in American history. Miners from across the globe flooded these hills, chasing fortune and carving a life out of the rugged West. These streets were alive with the clatter of stagecoaches, the buzz of saloons, and the relentless hum of opportunity. Today, those same wooden boardwalks and brick storefronts stand as a proud reminder of that era. Every creak of the floorboards, every weathered facade tells a story from more than 150 years ago. And yet, this old mining town has learned a few new tricks. Once a year in the heat of August, Virginia City transforms. The echoes of pickaxes and ore wagons give way to the deep rumble of V8 engines and the sparkle of polished chrome. It's here that Hot August Night begins, a celebration of America's love affair with the automobile, rock and roll, and a simpler time. Born in Reno in 1986, Hot August Night started as a small gathering to honor the golden age of cars and music. It's grown into one of the largest classic car events in the world, drawing thousands of hot rods, muscle cars, customs, and cruisers from every corner of the country. For 7 days, Nevada becomes the epicenter of car culture. But it all kicks off right here on C Street in the shadow of these mountains. For 2 days, this historic main street is partially closed to everything but history on wheels. Classic Chevys, roaring Mustangs, elegant Cadillacs, and custom-built hot rods line the road, each one a rolling time capsule. The scent of polished paint and leather mingles with the high desert air. You'll hear laughter, the pop of exhaust pipes, and the occasional bark of a revved engine echoing off the old wooden buildings. Virginia City doesn't just host the cars, it frames them in a way no other place can. The backdrop of the 19th century architecture and sweeping mountain views gives every photo, every glance, a feeling of timelessness. Here, the Wild West meets mid-century America. The horses may be gone, but the horsepower is still alive and well. So as we take this ride together, I'll let you take in the sights, listen to some music, and the history of this place will speak for itself. From the shine of the chrome to the texture of the old brick buildings, and the deep blue Nevada sky to the gentle rumble of engines at idle, this is Hot August Nights in Virginia City. This is history, nostalgia, and passion, all on four wheels.